I don't know when my heat pump was put in. It was probably 3 years ago. It was because my boiler had packed up, and I'm in Housing Association, Clarion, and I just said, "Do you want a heat pump?" And I said, "Yes, all right." It took a long while to put it in. It was a lot of disruption. And it takes ages to heat up. And some of the radiators are hotter than the others. The one in my bedroom, I haven't got a temperature control on the radiator. It's because I dry clothes frequently in the winter. I don't use different settings in the winter and summer. I just use it up and down. If I want it hotter, I'm usually quite warm anyway, warm-blooded. So I usually, sort of don't have it on until it gets frosty. Yes, sorry, all I could think of was to film one of my cats. All right, bye.